Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix slow download speeds in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. And now let's get started. First, we need to clear your browsing data. Open Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select History. In the History pane, you will see a bin symbol. Click on it. Ensure the time range is set to all time, and then click on Clear Now. Next, let's manage your extensions, as some can interfere with download speeds. Click on the three dots in the top right corner again. Then go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Carefully review your installed extensions, and remove any VPN services or other extensions that you suspect might be causing this problem. To ensure Edge is running optimally, let's check for updates. Click on the three dots in the top right corner one more time. Navigate to Help and Feedback, and then select About Microsoft Edge. This will automatically check for and install any available updates, bringing your browser to the latest version. If the previous steps have not resolved your slow download speeds, we can reset Microsoft Edge settings to their default values. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Reset Settings. Choose the option to restore settings to their default value, and then click on the Reset button. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.